Welcome. My name is Yadira, a holistic practitioner and co-founder of Oracle of the Body. In this space, we bridge the connection between the mind, body, and spirit, guiding you into alignment and healing. If you're new here, welcome. And if you've been following me, thank you. In my past videos, I've been speaking about the father of the body, the lymphatic system. The subject at hand has been mood swings. I've spoken about anger, also self-hatred, guilt, and sadness, which are 4 mood swings that affect women daily. In this video, I will introduce to you the Oracle of the Body, the lymphatic system, and provide you the guidance that this card has for you. Let's start with the spiritual role of the lymphatic system. Honesty is the aim for the lymphatic system. It works beautifully when you're honest to yourself and honest with others. It is essential to learn about your body because every component in our system is a messenger and provides us the information that we need to nurture our bodies. Everything is spiritual. We are living a spiritual experience. And this vessel is carrying out that spiritual experience in the most beautiful way. And the more we treat it, the more we pay attention to what we are, the more fruitful life becomes. Staying aligned with your goals and your dreams is essential for the lymphatic system. Understand, just like God wants us to thrive and to become the greatest versions of ourselves, so does your lymphatic system. The role of the lymphatic system is to connect you to the world within, emotionally, spiritually, and to divinely guide you into the path that resonates with you, that aligns with your soul. What is the emotional connection to the lymphatic system? The lymphatic system is your guide. It guides you where you need to be. Especially, it balances all things good in your life. Even though life can get chaotic, there's still good in every challenge that we face. And the lymphatic system is there to assist you in that challenge, to see the good in everything. It enables you to empathically connect, not only for yourself, but with others and the universe. The lymphatic system nurtures your health by providing you balance, cleansing, and overall well-being. What is the health message the lymphatic system has for you? I honor and respect myself and my body in all that I do, for it is the foundation of my well-being. Your body is a sacred vessel that thrives on balance, nourishment, and care. When you honor your lymphatic system with mindful movement, rest, and proper nourishment, it returns with strength, vitality, and healing. Your body functions so beautifully that it has the capability of healing. Your body also needs you to listen. This is essential, for it has the wisdom to guide you towards your well-being. Here are a few signs that your lymphatic system needs cleansing: swelling and fluid retention. You can have signs of swollen limbs or puffiness around the eyes, swelling in the legs, ankles, and face. This can be an indication for poor lymphatic drainage, frequent illness or infections. A sluggish lymphatic system can lead to a weak immune system, which cause frequent colds, infections, and flu-like symptoms. Fatigue and low energy, persistent tiredness or sluggishness, even after you rest, can be a sign that your lymphatic system is not functioning optimally. Sore or stiff joints, stiffness or discomfort in the joints, especially upon waking, may be indicating you to cleanse and stimulate lymph flow. Skin issues, brain fog, bloating and digestive issues, swollen lymph nodes, cellulites, or weight gain, chronic sinus congestion, and allergies. The card invites you to reflect on your surroundings and the energy that you allow in your space. What are you telling yourself daily? Are you being truthful with your words and thoughts? The lymphatic system is asking you to release anything that clouds your vision and judgment. Anything that leads you to unclear actions must be released too. It wants you to embrace clarity and honesty. Stay tuned for part 2.